Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
Incompetent people often blame their tools or resources for their own failures. It's better to keep what you have rather than to risk it for something uncertain. Being away from someone makes you appreciate them more. Cats are thought to survive numerous dangers, symbolizing resilience or luck. Desperate situations lead to desperate actions. People who aren't wise with their finances will quickly lose them. Remain vigilant even after a success or achievement. Being content and happy is more valuable than being wealthy. A person who can do many things but isn't particularly skilled at any. Big accomplishments start with small actions.
Thanks for watching.